Okay, so this being an e-scooter, but I have a mirror hole here, so just pretend that this is the same exact mirror hole as motorcycles. So you're going to take this wing here and just put it depends on your use case. It can be this adapter that's included in the box, or it could be the mirror itself, or it could be this way, and then you have the mirror going through if you need some clearance for stuff like the brake reservoir. So let's just pretend this is the installation. This could be your mirror. Now next we are going to assemble the main bar itself. So if in this case this goes in counterclockwise, the other side would be clockwise. This is something to note. Doesn't have to go in all the way, just half. And then this will go on top of this wing, and with the included screw, just screw this in. Okay, so assuming that your your handlebar is not straight, so using this part as a handle, you're going to take this and bend this thing down. Just use a bit of force and press this down until you almost meet the other side. So do this for both sides until they form a straight line where both ends of this meet, and then you're done. You just need to decide how long you want the bar to be and lock this nut down. Right?